doesn't like that. Oh. Is it Christmas? Hello my friends, today I'm going to make some Korean Mayak egg. It's super easy to make and super yummy. What I do is I take out the egg from the fridge. People do recommend room temperature egg, but I just use my fridge egg. And put in a pot, pour water to cover them all, and that's good enough. While you are boiling the egg, you will have to make the sauce. I'll show you later. And next step is to put it on stove, turn the heat on high, and add a little bit vinegar and salt to boil with. And here's the ingredients.
Six hours later.
You tell yourself if you could turn back. I would tell younger me, take the time that you need just to breathe. Back then when we never had a worry, we were so naive. When I was a younger girl, I wasn't so hardened by the world. Why did I wanna be older? Now our youth is over. I've got low.
Welcome to come pack with me. I was very happy to have a chance to make these dolls for my customers. And here's how I started. So these are the cards I bought from Michael's. They are just simply very easy, plain thank you cards I write to my customers. So yeah, need to do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They say packing is the fun part of being a small business owner, and yeah, I agree. I think it is. Randomly choose this 2 color. Well, to me, 2020 did not really happen because everything was cancelled and something are still in the cancel, I'm not sure what's gonna happen this year. So I don't know if there will be market for me to sell my dolls, if there will be Comic Cons for me to attend in the artist alley. So everything is still unsure right now. So every time when someone actually reach out and say, oh, I would like to order a doll from you, it means a lot to me. I'm not only doing the happy dance, I will probably do a happy cry. Yeah, that's how I feel, and I'm really grateful. And I'm not saying that 2020 was bad. It actually gave me another chance to try different things. For example, I started to do the vlog, and I started to learn how to edit my videos and many other things. I also try making something different, making something more original, and a little bit less of fan art, which is all good for me. And I'm actually happy that I had a chance to try something new. Speaking of vlog, I'm not sure how many people are actually watching, but I appreciate you right now because you're watching my vlog. I appreciate that. And I also appreciate that people would, leave comment to my videos and give me some support, follow support. That is actually great. But I started to think and kind of not sure if I want to keep making vlog that often, because I feel it does take up lots of time for me to make just one vlog. Unlike the other artists that I follow, they probably upload weekly vlog, which I can never really catch up. So, you know what? I will do my best, but no guarantee when will my next vlog be. So stay tuned. I hope to see you there.
If I could tell you, I would. Honestly, no secrets between us. No, it's just honesty. Even if it hurts, even if it's just for today. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. So don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination. Don't be a stranger. Let me get to know you. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. Would it be like to be? Would it be like to be yours? Would it be like to be yours? One step is two steps too much. Rather be much better if we stayed in touch, you and me. But it was too late.
Look at my windows, they're all frozen like that. And I have to put a towel here to suck up all the water that melts. And look, it's frozen sticks. Oh my god. Good job. Welcome to Canada. Some of this one, it's all frozen. Okay, I got lots of washing to do, I guess. Now I have a frozen towel, soaking wet too. Gotta wash them all. Okay, here. Okay, let's go. Okay, go. Okay, go.